Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back again with my topic of Wazuh server. In my last video, I have guided you guys how you can change the password for your admin user. That is by default admin username and admin will be the password. So if you ever forget or you ever change the password, I have guided you how you can change that admin password. To, Today's topic is how you can create user in the latest Wazuh server 4.8. A guy commented on my video that is it same that we can create the user in the older version of Wazuh and the newer version of Wazuh. The scenario and the way is same, but the new dashboard is little different than the older one. That's why anyone get confused about how we can perform operation like we used to do in the previous version of Wazuh. I have also uploaded the video how you can upgrade your Wazuh to the latest version. Currently I am running the latest version of Wazuh server 4.8.0. This is the new menu. If you guys look at this, all the options were same. Maybe some new options will be available, but the menu gets a bit change. So the today's topic is how you can create the user for your Wazuh GUI. You have to check the menu one by one, or in the previous version of Wazuh, we will go to the security option and we will create the user over there. It is same in the newer Zabbix server as well. You have to go to this indexer management and then click on this security button. After that, the new window will be appear and you have to click on this internal user, and from here you can create your user. Let's create the user test, and the password will be 8 characters long, and we are going to assign backend role. I'm going to assign the same backend role admin and click on this create button. Okay, we have the weak password. Let's just try a difficult one. Yet we have the weak password. So let's make it little complicated, and then we will copy that password. Let's see if we got into any kind of error or not. No, this time we haven't got any error. Now I have logged out my admin user and I'm going to log in with my new test user. This is how you can create your Wazuh user in the latest version of Zabbix server. we have some rules defined here. You can assign the role to the user according to your requirement, and you can create the new role as well. And whenever you want to create the user, you have to define that role over here according to your requirement. If you want to grant access any of your user, any of your team member, the read only rights, you can choose the rights from here. Let's see if we have, yeah, we have the read all and monitor role there as well. You just have to copy this role and assign that role here, and here you go. This is how you can create the new user in Wazuh server GUI, how you can assign roles. If you want to create some roles, you can create from here as well. Hope you guys understood the scenario. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Please support me and my channel. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.